Bienvenidos, travelers. Colombia is calling, and trust me, you don't want to miss this adventure. From tropical beaches to mystical jungles, vibrant cities to hidden gems, this country has it all. And of course, we'll spice things up with some tequila, margaritas, and delicious tacos and quesadillas along the way. So grab your passport and let's explore the 15 most beautiful places in Colombia. First stop, Tayrona National Park. This Caribbean paradise is where lush jungles meet golden beaches. Hike through the tropical forest, then cool off in the crystal clear waters of Cabo San Juan. After a day of adventure, sip on a refreshing margarita at a local beach bar. Now let's head to Cartagena. This city is a dream with its colorful colonial streets and vibrant nightlife. Walk through the historic walled city, snap pics at the clock tower, and enjoy an ice-cold tequila cocktail at a rooftop bar overlooking the Caribbean. Don't forget to grab some local-style tacos filled with fresh seafood. Time for some breathtaking views in Guatapé. Climb the 740 steps of El Peñol Rock for a panoramic view of the lakes. Reward yourself with a cheesy quesadilla at one of the lakeside restaurants, paired with a classic margarita. Next, we're off to Cocora Valley, home of the world's tallest palm trees. These wax palms stretch up to 200 feet into the sky. Hike through this stunning valley, then refuel with some sizzling tacos filled with Colombian-style grilled beef. Welcome to Medellín, the city of eternal spring. Ride the cable cars for incredible city views. Visit Comuna 13 for its vibrant street art and hit a salsa bar for a fun night out. Pair your evening with a tequila shot and a plate of mouth-watering carnitas tacos. For island lovers, Rosario Islands are a must. Crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and fresh seafood await. Sip on a tropical margarita while enjoying a beachside taco stand, serving up shrimp tacos with a Colombian twist. Colombia's capital, Bogotá, is full of history and culture. Explore La Candelaria, visit the famous Gold Museum, and take a cable car up to Mount Monserrate. Before leaving, grab a spicy quesadilla and a mezcal margarita at a trendy food market. The River of Five Colors, Caño Cristales, is one of the most unique places on earth. This rainbow-colored river is only visible between June and November. After a long hike, celebrate with a margarita and some grilled street tacos. Cali is the salsa capital of the world. Take a dance class, explore the San Antonio neighborhood, and try the famous empanadas. But let's not forget the tequila. It pairs perfectly with Cali's street-style al pastor tacos. Time for some serious adventure. Ciudad Perdida, or the Lost City. This ancient site requires a 4-day trek through the jungle, but the views are worth it. Celebrate your achievement with a cold margarita back in Santa Marta. Santa Marta is the gateway to Tayrona and Ciudad Perdida, but it's also a great beach town. Chill by the waterfront with a plate of cheesy quesadillas and a coconut margarita. Perfect combo, right? Step back in time in Villa de Leyva. This colonial town has the largest cobblestone plaza in South America. Walk through history, then relax with a tequila sunrise and some chorizo stuffed tacos. Ready for something wild? Take a mud bath inside a volcano at El Totumo. After this unique experience, rinse off and grab a fresh margarita with some crispy fish tacos nearby. Let's head to La Guajira. Cabo de la Vela offers stunning desert landscapes meeting the Caribbean. Enjoy the view with a tequila cocktail in hand and some local quesadillas. Ever heard of El Dorado? Lake Guatavita is the legendary site of the Golden Treasure. Take in the mystical beauty of this sacred place, then end your journey with a mezcal margarita and a plate of Colombian-style birria tacos. And there you have it, 15 of the most beautiful places in Colombia. From stunning beaches to breathtaking mountains, and of course, amazing food and drinks along the way. Which spot is on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Travel Tips _USA for more adventures. Salud, amigos!